Didn't she try to bury you alive?
Only for a few hours. Amazing! No longer amazing. Oh, what? Do you want an apology? Is that why you're pouting, big baby boo? You know that doesn't wash out. The sun's shining, terrible terrors are singing on the rooftop.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
What? Okay, first of all, I don't sound like that. What is this character? Maybe. Bet you don't.
Soil my britches.
Does anything you say make sense?
He's expecting a new shipment of dragons for his army by tomorrow.
And Drago don't take well to excuses.
Bombastic side-eye. Criminal offensive side-eye.
These
You're going up for a dog.
Okay.
You two are going to get yourselves in serious trouble one of these days. Not everyone appreciates this way of life.
Wooden boats, big ocean. How is your swimming?
not good.
I am Eric, son of Earth.
This thing. Your mother is some kind of crazy, feral, vigilante dragon lady.
At least I'm not boring.
Eret, son of Eret, was the man of my dreams. My everything!
But baby, I grew facial hair for you.
Me too.
The Vast, his heir to the throne of Burke.
I alone control the dragons.
No, sorry.
More of the earth-shattering development variety.
Yeah, just add it to the pile.
This is why I never married. This and one other reason.
Stop being so stoic.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out.